I am grateful for this new day. I am confident and capable. I am worthy of love and respect. I attract positive energy. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am filled with creativity and inspiration. I believe in my abilities. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am surrounded by opportunities. I am at peace with who I am. I radiate positivity and kindness. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am focused and motivated. I am healthy and full of energy. I am successful in everything I do. I am deserving of happiness. I am a magnet for positive experiences. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am open to new possibilities. I am confident in my decisions. I am surrounded by supportive people. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am proud of my accomplishments. I am resilient and strong. I am attracting success into my life. I am grateful for the present moment. I am kind and compassionate. I am full of potential. I am in harmony with my surroundings. I am deserving of all good things. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I am attracting abundance and prosperity. I am confident in my unique abilities. I am a positive thinker. I am grateful for my body and mind. I am capable of overcoming challenges. I am deserving of success. I am a source of inspiration for others. I am filled with inner peace. I am open to receiving love and joy. I am confident in my path. I am excited for what today will bring.